Candy's back with another weigh-in and a couple of recipes that look really yummy. In this video, I'll give one of them a try. But first, let's check in on her progress.
It's August 25th, and it's time to weigh in and see where I'm at this week.
Hello. It's ready.
Okay. Alrighty.
£403.8.
403.8. Ooh. Going in the right direction. Alrighty.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Great job, Candy! Now the recipe I want to try to make is the low-carb cheesy casserole. I'm going to lighten it up just a little bit with a couple of tweaks. First off, I'm using ground turkey instead of ground beef. I'm still using the same Alfredo sauce, 1 ounce of cream cheese, and the shredded cheese, but I measured it out and I'm using just under 1/3 of a cup. I have some labneh on hand in case I need more sauce. I'm using a whole bag of frozen cut up broccoli and a whole bag of riced cauliflower. And for my seasonings, I'll just be using some slap your mama and garlic powder. I'll write up my methods in the description box if you want to try to make this yourself.
Beef and broccoli. Okay, this is the beef and broccoli after it's cooked down for about 15 minutes, a little more actually. And I added probably 2 ounces of cream cheese and about a 1/4 cup of Alfredo sauce, the Rayo's. Not done yet. I just added a bag of frozen riced cauliflower. And I'm gonna cook this up for a while. Okay, after adding some onion powder and garlic powder, I thought the seasoning was just right. And of course I used Tony's to start with. I'm gonna layer half of it in here with cheese. And then I'm gonna put it in the microwave to melt the cheese because everything else is cooked. Okay, I've got it topped off. That's about a little over 2 servings of sharp cheddar. Okay.
In the end, I really liked how this turned out. I'm figuring it makes about 6 portions if you cut it in half and then cut those halves into thirds. That's just enough to take to work for lunch or have at home for a light dinner. This is such a flexible dish, it's really easy to make it your own with the seasonings and the sauce. If you're not that worried about calories, go ahead and add more Alfredo sauce. If you're really not that worried about calories, add more cheese. Prepared just like this is relatively low carb and low calorie if you don't mind all of the dairy. I ended up adding about 2 heaping tablespoons of labneh, and I thought that gave it a really nice creamy touch. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Do you make any dishes like this? I'd love to hear from you.